Welcome to the University of South Carolina. We're glad you're here. This short video will show you how to get help with technology through our Office of Information Technology called DoIT, the Division of Information Technology. As faculty, your first step should be claiming your account. What this does is this associates your account information with you through setting up multi-factor authentication, various questions for authentication that DoIT helps you set up. So one way you can do this is you can call 777-1800 and the Division of Information Technology will help you set up multi-factor authentication and account claiming using the Cisco Duo Security app, which you will need to download for your smartphone. Or you can go to myaccount.sc.edu/IAM. This is Self-Service Carolina, and in this you can click on Manage My Account and select Account Claiming and set it up through the web service there. Account claiming allows you to set up your new account. More information of how to do this can be found on the knowledge base article through the Division of Information Technology. Information about setting up your account, passwords, managing your account, reclaiming your account, setting up security questions, all sorts of things. So that's a good piece of information to be aware of. Your second step is to find out whether your department is supported by a local IT within the department, college, or school, or from the General Division of Information Technology. The way you do this is you ask either your department contact or admin if you have a local IT, or what you can do is go to the self-service portal of the Division of Information Technology and select Order Something. When you click on that, it will then populate an option for you to select College, School, Department IT Service Desk. What this is this is the form that you submit if you have a local IT service for your college, department, or school. When you click on that, it will ask you, from whom are you seeking assistance? If your department, college, or school has local IT, it will be listed in this drop-down selection. When you select that and then complete the form, it will direct your request directly to your local IT. If you do not have local IT, in that college, school, department IT form, click on the Request Service Desk Assistance link at the top. That will then take you to the request form, the general request form for DoIT assistance. You'll complete that, provide information if there's an outage, you need assistance, or other information that you can provide. If you're not sure whether you have local IT or if you need DoIT, you can still complete this form and DoIT will get you to the right area to get help to you. Also notice that this form and the other form as well allows you to add attachments. So screen captures, PDFs, whatever it is that can help the technician solve your request. There are lots of other ways to request Division of IT help. They have 24/7 call support available at 777-1800. You can also do walk-in and chat support to their offices. That's available from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday when classes are in session. As the Carolina Tech Zone, the technicians who run the office follow the student calendar. After hours, calls are monitored, and most of the time Blackboard support is available 24/7 during the normal school year. When you submit a ticket, most help requests are assigned a case ticket number. That case ticket number will be sent to you via email where you can then track your ticket request. You get a request number if that issue cannot be immediately addressed or fixed. If you do get a ticket number, it will be called either a RITM, which is a request for assistance, or it will be an incident, INC, when something is not working, and then it gets routed to the correct group. You can track progress of these through your Self-Service Carolina portal here, and you can communicate directly with your Division of Information Technology technician through this Self-Service Now portal. Some more tips for requesting help in the self-service portal through the Division of Information Technology is that you can route your request to more quickly reach the specific group who can help you by typing into the search bar, "How can we help you?" Some examples are getting assistance for Blackboard, software, research computing, and telephone. All of these, when you type into the How Can We Help You search bar, will take you directly to the form to request that specific assistance. For example, when you type in Blackboard, it will populate options for you in the search bar. You'll click on Learning Management System or Blackboard, and that will take you to the Blackboard request form, and it will ask you various questions to more specifically get information about what assistance you need. For software, when you type in software into the search bar, software licensing and distribution or packaging or installation, when you click on one of those, it then takes you directly to the software request where you can say what specific requests you have for software. For research computing, when you type in computing, research computing can populate and give you the form where you select what help you need for your research computing. And finally, for telephone, when you type in phone, it gives you telephone services and will populate the form to help get you the telephone help that you need from the Division of Information Technology. Also know that the Division of Information Technology has very helpful how-to guides. This is what they call their knowledge base articles that is in the self-service portal, and you can access those by clicking on this link, and it will take you to their self-service portal, the knowledge portal, or in self-service, if you click on knowledge portal, it will take you to this same page. Additionally, if you are on the main page, if you click on Find Answers, that also takes you directly to the knowledge portal. In the knowledge base, there are lots of helpful pieces of information and PDFs on how to do all sorts of technology, including accessing the USC guest network. So if you go to the IT service portal, self-service portal, type in Wi-Fi, it will give you the knowledge base article, how to access the USC guest network, and it populates that piece of information. So by just typing into this knowledge base search bar here, whatever your question is, it will give you an option of a knowledge base article on how to set up that particular technology. If you have any other questions or would like to give feedback on what additional services you would like from the Division of Information Technology, please feel free to email or call Laurel Edens. She's the Service Management Program Director of the Division of Information Technology Service Desk. Thank you.